As a kid, I used to watch Popeye, but as an adult, I like trading crypto and making money in the financial markets. Together, I have brought my childhood and my adult success and found a project to review for you about Popeye. It's a meme coin about Popeye. It's super, super cool, guys. I am so excited to give this for you. Do me a huge favor. Note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. What'd you say we get into this? Let's go. It is memepopeye.com. That link is going to be down below, and I will show you the pre-sale on pinksale very, very soon. But let's have a look at this play-to-earn NFT game, okay, where BTC flows with every buy and sell, and tokens are your rewards for playing. So I want to show you about this first on the white paper. So the game, okay, welcome to the world of Popeye, where innovation meets entertainment, and the possibilities are limitless. In this exciting project, we combine the thrill of cryptocurrencies with the excitement of an NFT game and creating a unique and immersive experience. Join us on the journey where every transaction is an opportunity and every run is a chance to earn significant rewards. So get ready to collect, upgrade, and complete in thrilling virtual events. You like what I did there? At Popeye is not just a game, it's an adventure of discovery, strategy, and rewards. Come be part of this vibrant community and experience a new world of fun and value. So back to the website then, let's have a look at the news and updates. So the contract has just been launched, audit and KYC started, thank God for that. Game concept launch and the website launch. The next Bitcoin distribution to NFT holders is going to be 1 day and 23 hours. Okay, so the Flappy Popeye NFTs, you can see here we got, obviously, Popeye, probably the greatest one. Olive, okay, Olive Oil, Brutus, Wimpy, Sweet Pea, Eugene, Cole. So all of the famous Popeye characters, all right? The marketplace will be very soon, so you can actually have a look. And you simply open this card box, and you can see how this works, okay? It's not ready yet, but it will be there, and this Popeye or Olive Oil, whatever the NFT will be popping out. Now, on some of the exchanges, it's going to be listed, MexX, Latoka, GateEye, BitGate, okay? With the roadmap, okay, they're going through phase 1, fair launch, game launch, website development, white paper creation, which you've just seen. Then we're going to go through and we're nearly finishing phase 2, where the NFT marketplace will be ready, the community group establishment, the social account setups. Okay, phase 3 with a new website, the game features launch as well. Listings on CoinGecko, and phase 4 with the top 20 exchanges. Their tokenomics, 7% for the buy and sell fees, 3% for Bitcoin rewards, 4% for the marketing. Now, I want to just read a little bit more. It says, at its core, Popeye features an exclusive NFT-based game reminiscent of Flappy Bird, okay? If you've not seen Flappy Bird, guys, it's this bird. You see my arrow right now, and it goes tick, 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 okay? And you've got to avoid, like, the pipes and stuff like that and go. It's crazy. This is going to be the Popeye kind of version. Okay, the spinach can be exchanged for tokens at the Popeye marketplace, adding an exciting layer of strategy and rewards. So, guys, let's have a look at the pinksale listing. So people are already talking about this, okay? They've got their SAFU, they've got their audit, they've got their KYC. The sale is live right now, guys. It is live right now, the 2 days before it ends. So make sure you connect in and start getting yourself some. The official contract address is right here. And guys, I promise you, this could be one of the biggest of the year. So let's have a look at their official Twitter. Is at memepopeye, is MEMEPOPEYE. It is 12.9 thousand followers, guys, okay? I'm just in nostalgia right now, looking at these memes of a character I used to watch as a kid, but absolutely sensed by AI, okay? Very, very excited for I love this one. This is so cool. Okay, I love this, guys. Make sure you give me a huge follow. Make sure you can see I'm following them because I love them. Make sure you are following these today. I told you at the beginning that this is nostalgic for me, okay? My adulthood and my childhood together, guys. You can see why I was so excited. This is an incredible project. Why every single YouTuber is talking about this is exactly why I brought it to you today, because this is going to be a very good project for 2024. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.